I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Make sure the Voyee controller has at least half charge or stays on USB power. This prevents mid-process dropouts. Once done, confirm your switch is updated so drivers match. Next, find the small sync button on the controller and keep a pin nearby. You'll press and hold it to enter pairing mode. Do this now so you can move straight into the connection sequence without stopping to recharge or update later. You have two reliable options. Wired pairing is fastest. Plug the USB-C cable into the controller and the switch. The console will detect input instantly. For wireless, press and hold the sync button until the LEDs flash, then go to controller's change grip/order on the switch and wait for the name to appear. Pay attention to LED behavior. Flashing shows searching. A steady light means successful link. If the name doesn't show, release and repeat the sync press with the controller closer to the console. You finish by calibrating and assigning the controller. Go to System Settings, Controllers and Sensors, then calibrate control sticks so inputs are accurate. Make sure any Voyee firmware updates are applied via its Updater app. Updates fix drift and latency. If pairing fails, try a quick reset. Hold sync for 10 seconds or remove power briefly, then reattempt pairing. If problems persist, move closer to the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.